It's a 2015 Ford Taurus. Treat yourself to the driver's seat, then take off, embracing every curve and devouring straightaways. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, twin turbo V6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Take it for a test drive today.
Dorsch Ford Lincoln Kia, we have 2 convenient locations in Green Bay and look forward to serving you.